Hey guys, it's Matty here again. Just over on our Clickbank Marketing Secrets Facebook page. This is not really a page for promotion, as you guys know. However, somebody has promoted it. I will promote and boost your affiliate link. So I thought, hey, let's give it a go and let's try it. So it's just a Fiverr boost, a Fiverr gig. It's not very expensive. So I'll boost your affiliate link for the princely sum of $7 Australian to approximately 2 million active users. So I'm not sure where or how, but I've got I thought for a bit of a test, let's find out and see if these work, if they will promote, and if we get any sales, if we get any opt-ins, all that sort of thing. So let's start from scratch. I've never used this seller before. So what I'm going to do is I'll use one of the products that I do promote, the Partnering with Anthony program. I'm going to promote that. As you can see, 22nd today, December 22nd. Nothing's been promoted to this, so I haven't been promoting this in a few weeks. So this is what I'm going to promote, and let's give him a gig and see what sort of reaction we can get. So I'll go ahead and I'll buy this. I'll set this up. I'll do a very simple. So with my link, I'll do a little bit of a blurb on something to say, something they can give their customers to say, and a bit of a hook, and we'll set it. We'll send it, and we'll record and see what sort of reaction we get. So I'll go and do that now, and when it's all said and done, I'll come back and we'll have a look at the results. Okay, so I just went ahead and purchased, and it turned out, so it was advertised at $6.95 Australian, then they add a processing fee and then tax on top of that. Actually cost me $11. So just watch out for those hidden fees. So all I did was add a simple hook. Have you ever tried to make money on the internet and completely failed? It's probably not your fault. That's a shocking statement. Don't do it on your own. Partner with me and let's do it together. I'll show you how easy it can be. And then my affiliate link, of course. So that's what I'm going to send through, and we'll see what they come back with. Okay, so what I did, I gave it, I've come back now. It's a few days later, it's about a week later, but I did give it the full 5 days of advertising. And as you can see, so this was the only sort of promotion I did on this, nothing else at all. As you can see, I got 44 unique hits to the offer page, and from that 2 opt-ins. So I spent about the $11. Got 2 opt-ins, and then I wanted to give that a chance to go through my 5-day opt-in sequence, my autoresponder sequence. So of course I gave it some time, but unfortunately no sales from that one. Can't win them all. Had to try it, see how it went. Unfortunately no results, but a couple of opt-ins, so added a couple of people to my list, but at the $5 per opt-in and no sales, I'd call that one a bit of a bust. But don't give up. Got to keep trying these things. So make sure you continue trying and testing and all that sort of thing. And don't never give up. So we'll carry on to the next one.